afternoon sa inyong lahat. Jollibee na tayo. Saksani Angara and distinguished guests from the LGU. Si Mayor Woods, nandito pa ba? Representative of CHED Chair Popoy, CHED Commissioner Ronald Agamat. Sir, are you still here? Of course, the President of Jollibee Philippines, Mr. Fornes Yue, Jollibee Marketing Head, Doray, Jollibee PR and Partnership Head, Sir Dennis. Sir Dennis, nagbabasketball na naman ata si Sir Dennis. Ayun. Jollibee PR and Partnership Officer Elise. Mga busy mga taga-Jollibee. Ayun. Okay, there you go. And of course, the head of Icons Agency, the partner of Jollibee, Sir Dudu D. A pleasant afternoon to everyone. In behalf of the student athletes, the non-teaching, the teaching faculty, personnel, the coaches, and of course, pati mga security guard naman namin dito, the cleaners, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. It is with great joy and pride to be surrounded by the vibrant energy of our remarkable Filipino athletes, especially our two-time gold medalist. I think Carlo is resting inside. We are really deeply honored to be standing side by side with our Olympians and future Olympians. Our immense gratitude to you all for gracing us with your presence and for giving hope to all our aspiring student athletes. Today is a historical event, a moment between NAS, the National Academy of Sports, and our general sponsor, Jollibee Food Corporation. One that underscores the power of partnership in nurturing talent and promoting sports. Maraming salamat, Jollibee, for your generous donation of 5 million pesos worth of athletic equipment. Wala pa kayong mga kamay dyan. Yung happiness, instead of happiness, happiness. Okay? So very happy sila sa inyong donation. Your donation and support to NAS will undoubtedly transform the training and competitive experience of our student athletes. Your commitment to supporting sports and youth development is more than a jolly partnership. Sana hindi lang po matapos ngayon. Mama? Okay, so of course, this embodies your true identity as a leading ambassador of being happy in the Philippines and in the world. To our student athletes, listen to this, okay? Your hard work, your dedication, your perseverance as an athlete, this day is all about you. You stand on the shoulders of seemingly insurmountable giants of preparation and self-doubt. Huwag tumigil sa pagsasanay and always have strength and power to go on and keep on improving your performances. Our hard-working Olympian Carlos Yulo, with his extraordinary achievements and relentless pursuit of excellence, exemplifies what it means to dream big. Let his journey inspire each of you to push your limits and strive to set your own record in your respective sports. As we move forward, I encourage everyone, students, parents, coaches, and stakeholders, to rally around our National Development Program. Let us cultivate an environment in our country where every athlete feels empowered, supported, and dignified as they pursue their passion for sports. To all our students and our Olympians, as you train, as you compete, and continue to compete, And as you grow as a person, remember that every effort you make brings you one step closer to your dreams. Dreams that one day will lead you to your ultimate success and to our nation's greatest pride. Let us all commit to supporting one another in this less traveled path. Again, maraming salamat Jollibee Food Corporation for your invaluable support, and of course to our NAS Board of Trustees for this happiness collaboration. We welcome you all to the National Academy of Sports, Tatak NAS, Galing ang Puso. Maraming salamat.